Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Kanika. Okay, let everyone join.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. We were doing civics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chapter is over. Reading part is left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will do? Reading you do at home. Let us do the question answers today. Fine. And let me share the screen.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Beta. Check the full PDF is not open. Is the screen visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
Beta.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
History or civics?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Civics.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We'll do question
Afternoon, ma'am.
answers. See, chapter explanation is done. Read the chapter on your own and let me know what you have not understood. Right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. Is the screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon, ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Beta. Now, is my voice audible? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. You
ma'am.
are
You are
audible.
audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Something went wrong over here.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Huh?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay, coming to the question answers. Is the screen clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, reading part you do on your own, explanation part is completed. Okay? Okay. Fine. Every day one page. You tell me which page, like yesterday I think we left gender wala thing, gender and politics we have done, I believe. So next
Ma'am,
one,
we have done till 45 page. 45.
140.
you want reading
We
to be
have
done in
done
the
a
class?
women's vertical representation.
Do you want reading to be done in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody says
Yes,
this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Doubts will be cleared.
Fine, fine, fine. Then it is okay. Up till here we have read or up till here? Page
Ma'am, we
40,
have read
Page 45.
Page
page
45.
45.
all done,
We
no?
have to start
We
religion,
have to start.
communalism and
We have to start page 45 or 45 is complete.
45 is
45 is
completed.
complete. Page
45
46.
For, we have to start from 46.
We have to start with religion, communalism, and politics. Fine,
Politics.
right. So let us have
Ma'am, may I?
okay, Pranjal,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
Let us now turn to a very different kind of social division. The division based on the religious differences. The
Wait.
division is not a universal.
Wait, beta. Now read.
The division is not as universal as gender, but religious diversity is fairly widespread in the world today. Many countries, include India, having their population followers of different have in their population followers of different religions. As we notice in the case of Northern Ireland, where even when most of the people belong to the same religion, there can be serious differences about the way people practice that religion. Unlike gender differences, the religious differences are often expressed in the field of politics. Consider the following.
Stop now. Wait, wait. Beta,
Can
Northern
I?
Ireland. हाँ बेटा बोलो. बेटा नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड जो है हमें पता है आयरलैंड वाज अ कंट्री which became part of Britain through a treaty, like a pact was signed, and Ireland was it was merged, it was annexed in Britain, right? I hope you all remember this.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Northern Ireland is a part where Christians live, but then in the Christians only there are two sects. One aapka Protestants, one is Catholics. So Catholics and Protestants both are there, and Protestants are in minority, whereas Catholics are in majority. But the problem over there is Protestants are very strong because they are supported by the Protestants of Britain. Northern Ireland. So there is always conflict in the part of Northern Ireland where the Catholics are living. These Protestants, though they are small in numbers, but then again, because of the involvement of the Protestants of Britain, they are not able to live peacefully, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
They are only talking about that even in same religion also there are people like I think the other day also I told you there in various castes that we have, various religions that we have, there are like if we talk about Muslims, there are two sects, Shias and Sunnis, right? Then when you talk of Christians, there are Catholics and there are Protestants. ठीक है, तो वही कह रहा है कि एग्जैक्टली ठीक ऐसे ही यहाँ पे भी बिकॉज ऑफ द रिलीजियस जो सेक्ट्स में डिवीजन है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो पीपल in many of the places people are not living in peace. They are always into conflict. They are always trying to show the other group as inferior and themselves as superior, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then they say that let us consider the following, examples you can say, or following that has been written over here. So let us have Harsh reading. Harsh Tomar.
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो बेटा.
Gandhiji used to say that religion can never be separated from politics. What he meant by religion was not any particular religion like Hinduism or Islam, but moral values that inform all religions. He believed that politics must be guided by ethics drawn from religion. Human rights groups in our country have argued that most of the victims of communal riots in our country are people from religious minorities. They have demanded that the government take special steps to protect religious minorities.
Wait a second, beta.
Women's
Wait. This first point is clear. Gandhiji never meant that religion should be, involved. Rather, the values, the ethic values which are there, they should be made part of the politics, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to the second part, human rights groups in our country have argued that most of the victims of communal rights in our country are people from religious minorities. You must have seen in several countries, this is the same issue, right? So they say that human rights, because when we talk of the human rights, we talk of equality, we talk of protection, we talk of life. So they say that it is the duty of the government to take special steps to protect the religious minorities in a country. अगर आप श्रीलंका का केस देखो तो वहां पे रिलीजियस माइनॉरिटी को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं किया गया था, रैदर रिलीजियस माइनॉरिटीज जो थी उनको कंप्लीटली अवॉइड कर दिया गया था, है ना?
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aiza, continue reading.
Women's movement has argued that family laws of all religions discriminate against women. So they have demanded that government should change all laws to make them more equitable. All these instances involve a relationship between religion and politics, but they don't seem very wrong or dangerous. Ideas, ideals, and values drawn from different religions and prefer can and perhaps should play a role in politics. People should be able to express in politics their needs, interests, and demands as a member of a religious community. Those who hold political power should sometimes be able to regulate the practice of religion so as to prevent discrimination and oppression. These political acts are not wrong as long as they treat every religion equally.
Okay, anything in this to be explained?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Fine.
No, ma'am.
Fine. So next,
Ma'am, may I?
wait,
Can
Ananya. Ananya, read. Ananya, पढ़ो बेटा. Ananya, are you there? Not there in the meeting.
may I?
चलो वीरेश, ये कौन थे? मे आय वाले कौन थे? पढ़ो.
Himanshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, हिमांशु, read.
Okay.
Hmm.
The problem
Ma'am,
begins.
Oh, after Himanshu, Viresh. Beta, communalism. We have to read from
Yes,
communalism.
ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am, I know.
हाँ, read.
Communalism. The problem begins when religion is seen on the basis of the nation. The example of Northern Ireland in chapter 3 shows the danger of such an approach to nationalism. The problem becomes more acute when religion is expressed in politics in exclusive and par- uh, part- partisan terms. When one religion and its followers were pitted against another, this happens when beliefs of one religion are presented as superior to those of other religions. When the demands of one religious group are formed in opposition to another, And when state power is used to establish domination of one religious group over the rest, this manner of using religion in politics is communal politics.
हाँ. Anything in this to be explained?
No, ma'am.
No.
चलिए.
Ma'am, what are partisan terms?
But a partisan basically the ones who are loyal to a particular party or a particular group. यहाँ पे partisanship basically use करा गया है for the political parties. जैसे there are some certain political parties which are based on caste and religion. So some people are very very much devoted. They are very much they what do you call they are completely dedicated to them. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए next. Kanika.
Ma'am,
Sorry. Ananya, wait. Ananya, read.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, communal politics?
Yes.
Okay. Communal politics is based on the idea that religion is the principal basis of social community. Communalism involves thinking along the following lines. The followers of a particular religion must belong to one community. Their fundamental interests are the same. Any difference that they may have is irrelevant or trivial for community life. It also follows that people who follow different religions cannot belong to the
Same social community.
same social community. If the followers of different religions have some commonality, these are superficial and immaterial. Their interests are bound to be different and involve a conflict. In its extreme from communalism leads to the belief that people belonging to different religions cannot live as equal citizens within one nation. Either one of them has to dominate the rest or they have to form different nations.
देखो ये जो वाला जो एग्जाम्पल है इसमें हमने आपको बताया था किस तरीके से इंडिया पाकिस्तान was partition, India was partitioned and Pakistan a new Muslim country came into being. अब यहाँ पे ये particularly ये बता रहे हैं. इसमें मुझे लगता है कोई ऐसी चीज जो आपको ना समझ में आई हो बेटा?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
क्लियर है सब ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. इसमें सिर्फ यही बताया गया है कि किस तरीके से अगर जैसे फंडामेंटली वो कहता है कि अगर एक फंडामेंटल इंटरेस्ट की हम बात करते हैं तो अगर कोई एक रिलीजन एक कम्युनिटी है वो एक ही रिलीजन को जो है वो बिलोंग करनी चाहिए, उनके इंटरेस्ट सब सेम होने चाहिए. बट डू यू रियली थिंक कि ऐसा होता है? ऐसा नहीं होता है. नहीं होता है ना? हाँ. क्या ऐसा होता है?
No, ma'am.
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं. क्योंकि आप देखो अगर हम हिंदूज की बात करते हैं, अगर हम मुस्लिम्स की बात करते हैं तो जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर एक मुस्लिम फैमिली जो कि एक ही पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन और एक सेक्ट को बिलोंग करती है वो जैसा सोचते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है कि दूसरी फैमिली भी वैसा ही सोचती होगी. ठीक है? हर इंसान की अपनी देखो अपनी सोचने समझने की क्षमता होती है, चीजों को एनालाइज करने की क्षमता होती है. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द एनालिसिस दैट दे मेक एंड देयर ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस. See, here experience counts a lot because what others are telling you and what you are experiencing, they may be two different aspects, right? And you may at times do not agree to what the others are telling you. On your own, experience, on your own practices that you have or the principles that you are following, maybe you do not, you are not able to relate to what the other person is telling you. So within a religious community, it is not necessary that everyone agrees to what the other person is saying or what the other person wants you to follow. There are several incidents where people do not want, but then because of the pressure, because of the, you can say majority of the people, they want something, people go for that majority of the people. They do not consider the minorities at all. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
चल अब इसमें इन्होंने ये जो लास्ट की जो लाइन दी है बेटा, इसमें they have given you, they are giving directions toward the formation of India and Pakistan. See, India and Pakistan, though if you talk like they nobody wanted to go for partition, but there were certain political leaders, those who demanded for a separate nation for the Muslims and the Hindus. So because of the demand which was put by these, influential people, the country had to bear the seeds of, what do you call this, experience of, bitter experience of partition, where, thousands, hundreds, lakhs of people, they died during the partition. Everybody knows what exactly had happened during the partition. And there are still many families, even in India, even in Pakistan, those who always, they consider that partition day as a black day, and they really wish that things could come back to normal, things could go back to the past where people were living together. There was no partition, no India and Pakistan was there. But then what is done, we cannot change it, right? But of course, these kind of things are never welcomed, because they create only bloodshed and lot of destruction of life, property, and everything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Now let us have Apurva reading. Apurva.
Yes, ma'am. This belief is fundamentally flawed. People of one religion do not have the same interests and aspiration in every context. Everyone has several other roles, positions, and identities. There are many voices inside every community. All these voices have a right to be heard. Therefore, any attempt to bring all followers of one religion together in contexts other than religion is bound to suppress many voices within that community.
Okay, I hope
Communal can take various.
this point is also clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue, Apurva.
Communalism can take various forms in politics. First, the most common expression of communalism is in everyday beliefs. These routinely involve religious
Prejudices.
prejudice, prejudices,
Huh.
stereotypes of religious
Community.
communities, and belief in the superiority of one's religion over other religions. This is so common that we often fail to notice it even when we believe in it. Second, a communal mind often leads to a quest for political dominance of one's own religious community. For those belonging to majority community, this takes the form of majoritarian dominance. For those belonging to the minority community, it can take the form of a desire to form a separate political unit.
Clear hai ye point? Both the points are clear? Wait, bacha.
Yes,
Both the
ma'am.
points are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, very good. Now, a third point. Wait, Apurva.
Okay, ma'am.
Srishti Gautam is there in the class? Srishti, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, read.
Can you please tell from where actually there was a network issue, so I was out of the meeting.
Political mobilization on religious lines. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Read.
Political mobilization on religious lives in another frequent form of communalism. This involves the use of sacred symbol, religious leaders, emotional appeal, and plain fear in order to bring the followers of one religion together in the political arena. In electoral politics, this often involves special appeal to the interest or emotions of voters of one religion in preference to others. Sometimes communalism, am I need to read the second one? Okay. Sometimes communalism takes its most ugly form of communal violence, riots, and massacre. India and Pakistan suffered some of the worst communal riots at the time of partition. The post-independence period has also been large-scale communal violence.
हाँ मैं आपको बताया था when I was telling you about this, I told you that since 1942 country was facing communal riots where Hindus and Muslims they were continuously in fight with each other for some other reasons, and maybe because of the interest of the colonial rulers, those who were there, right? Itna clear? Anything in this not understood?
No, ma'am.
Chaliye.
No, ma'am.
Let us come to the secular state. Can we have Gargi reading?
Yes, ma'am.
After Gargi, Pavni will read.
Secular state. Communalism was and continues to be one of the major challenges to democracy in our country. The makers of our constitution were aware of this challenge. That is why they chose the model of a secular state. This choice was reflected in several constitutional provisions that we studied last year. First, there is no official religion called the Indian state. Unlike the status of Buddhism in Sri Lanka, that of Islam in Pakistan, and that of Christianity in England, our constitution does not give a special status to any religion.
Anything in this to be explained?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Oh,
Fine.
ma'am.
Fine. Pavni, read.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
The Constitution provides to all individuals and communities freedom to profess, practice, and propagate any religion or not to follow any. The Constitution prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion. At the same time, the Constitution allows the state to intervene in the matters of religion in order to ensure equality within religious communities. For example, it bans untouchability. Understood in this sense, secularism is not just an ideology of some parties or persons. This idea constitutes one of the foundations of our country. Communalism should not be seen as a threat to some people in India. It threatens the very idea of India. That is why communalism needs to be combated. A secular constitution like ours is necessary but not sufficient to combat communalism. Communal prejudice and propaganda need to be countered in everyday life, and religion based mobilization needs to be countered in the arena of politics.
Okay. Is this all clear and understood? Beta,
Yes, ma'am.
any line to be explained more?
Yes.
Fine.
No, ma'am.
But coming to caste and politics. Chalo, let us have Kanika reading. And after Kanika, Viresh will read. And
Caste,
after Viresh. Kanika, start.
caste and politics. We have seen two instances of expression of social division in the arena of politics, one largely positive and the other largely negative. Let us turn to our final case, that of caste and politics, that has both positive and negative aspects. Caste inequality. Unlike gender and religion, caste division is special to India. All societies have some kind of social inequality and some form the division of labor. In most societies, occupation are passed on from one generation to another. Caste system is an extreme form of this. What makes it different from other societies is that in this system, hereditary occupational division was sanctioned by rituals. Members of the same caste group were supposed to form a social community that practiced the same or similar occupation, married within the caste group, and did not eat with with members from other caste groups.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything in this to be explained?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Let us have the next
No, ma'am.
person reading. Caste system was based on. कौन पढ़ेगा ये? किसको कहा था हमने पढ़ने के लिए? Viresh?
Caste system was based on exclusion of
And discrimination.
just a minute, I should open it in my book, ma'am. It's not visible.
Okay.
Caste system was based on exclusion of and discrimination against the outcast groups. They were subject to inhuman practice of untouchability, about which you have studied in class 10. class 9. That is why political leaders and social reformers like Jyotiba Phule, Gandhiji, B.R. Ambedkar, and Periyar Ramaswamy Naikar advocated and worked to establish a society in which caste inequalities are absent. Partly due to their efforts and partly due to other socio-economic changes, caste and caste system in modern India have undergone great changes. With economic development, large-scale urbanization, growth of literacy and education, occupational mobility, and the weakening of position of landlords in the village, the old notions of caste hierarchy are breaking down. Now, most of the times in urban areas, it does not matter who is walking along to us on a street or eating at the next table of in a restaurant.
In a restaurant, yes.
The Constitution of India prohibited any caste-based discrimination and laid the foundation of policies to reverse the injustice of caste system. If a person who lived a century ago were to return to India, she would be greatly surprised at this change that has come about in the country.
Okay, anything in this to be explained, class?
No, ma'am.
Urbanization is under urbanization. But I think I told you about urbanization.
Yes, ma'am.
Then occupational mobility also I told you. Now people can switch over to another occupation easily, but earlier it was not very easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then and how the caste hierarchy has been broken down now
Yes, ma'am.
because of the education because of the education and the literacy that has grown among these people. It has taken them to a next level where they are not involved into this small talks of caste practices and other thing. Of course there are incident. Yesterday only when I was watching news, one of the channels was showing that in, I don't exactly remember which place, they were telling that one of the member of scheduled caste, he was beaten so badly because he had used the public this hand pump. He was taking water from that hand pump, and because he was a Dalit and he was not supposed to touch it, so it was a incident of a village only. So there it is. Though things have changed, people have modernization has taken place, people are becoming literate, they are um, taking their hands off these practices which are there, but then there are still some people who are quite orthodox. They don't want to do away with these practices which were of the past. So it is because of this, that because of such people still in the society these things are practiced. We need to do away with these practices because we cannot see until we move ahead of all these, we won't be able to progress in life. ठीक है, ये तब सब समझ में आ गया? कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है इसमें बच्चे?
No, ma'am.
All clear and ठीक है, चलो नैना, now it's your turn. Nana,
Yes. Yet caste has not disappeared from the contemporary India. Some of the older aspects of caste have persisted. Even now, most of the people marry within their own caste or tribe, and disability has not ended completely despite constitutional prohibition. Effects of centuries of advantages and disadvantages continue to be felt today. Caste groups that had access to education under the old system have done very well in acquiring modern education as well. Those groups that did not have access to education or were prohibited from acquiring it have naturally lagged behind. That is why there is a proportionately large
presence of upper caste
among the urban middle classes in our country. Caste continues to be closely linked to economic status. See plus box on page 50.
अभी हम देख लेंगे इसको. इतना इसमें समझ में आया बेटा? कोई प्रॉब्लम इसमें?
No, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें वही चीज जो अभी हमने आपको ऊपर वाले पैराग्राफ में बताया कि भाई इतना सब कुछ होने के बाद भी देयर आर स्टिल पीपल जो कि इस तरीके की प्रैक्टिसेस को जो है अभी भी जो है दे आर टेकिंग देम कैरिंग फॉरवर्ड इट, बट देन दीज काइंड ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस दे and because of these practices which are there, the politics is able to absorb caste in it. अब हम पढ़ेंगे caste and politics कैसे hamper कर मतलब किस तरीके से it has been involved, right? Can we have who will read? Nana will continue.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो continue बेटा.
As in the case of communalism, casteism is rooted in the belief that caste is the sole basis of social community. According to this way of thinking, people belonging to the same caste belong to a natural social community and have the same interests which they do not share with anyone from other caste. As we saw in the case of
Communalism, such a belief is okay. Nana, let Jigyasa read. Jigyasa, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, read from where she has left.
Ma'am, from where?
From यहाँ से पढ़ लो आप. According to this way of thinking, fourth line.
Okay, ma'am. According to this way of thinking, people belonging to the same caste belong to a natural social community and have the same interests which they do not share with anyone from another caste. As we saw in the case of communalism, such a belief is not born out by our experience. Caste is one aspect of our experience, but it is not the only relevant or the most important aspect. Caste can take various forms in politics. First, when parties choose candidates in elections, they keep in mind the caste composition of the electorate and
nominate candidates
from different castes so as to muster necessary support to win elections. When government are formed, political parties usually take care that representatives of different castes and tribes find a place in it.
Anything in this to be explained?
No, ma'am.
Clear and understood? No, fine. Okay. Carry on. Jigyasa.
Ma'am, caste inequality.
हाँ, political parties and नहीं वही पढ़ो, political parties and candidates in elections.
Political parties and candidates in elections make appeals to caste sentiment to muster support. Some political parties are known to favor some caste and are seen as their representatives. Universal adult franchise and the principle of one person, one vote compelled.
Franchise नहीं, universal adult franchise होता है.
Okay, ma'am. One vote compelled political leaders to gear up to the task of mobilizing and securing political support. It also brought new consequences among the people of caste that were hitherto treated as inferior and low. The focus on caste in politics can sometimes give an impression that elections are all about caste and nothing else. That is far from true. Just consider these. No parliamentary constituency in the country has a...
Jigyasa, wait. Yes. Once the class is over, you all need to send the PDF for the extract-based questions that we did in the history class, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Carry on.
Okay, ma'am.
I think we are about to get over with the class. So we'll continue tomorrow. The same periods, right? Same classes. Tomorrow we have geography, but we'll finish this civics, and then next when we have geography, we'll continue with the geography chapter. Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. And